Well guys, really sucks that I didn't make a really nice intro video for this one, because I'll tell you what, when we were talking to the gentleman about buying this machine, we drove here to North Carolina from Florida, and it took us about seven and a half hours in the Hummer. And we got here and it was around 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and we had to drive through this grass right here from this road that is like, I don't know, like a half, maybe a quarter mile or an eighth of a mile back that direction, and rights and lefts and through water, and the gentleman even stopped up the road and says, back there, you'll see it. Now, this machine, I located online for sale, and it's just the cab. The blower motor burnt up, started a fire, so the interior cab is finished.